Hey Guiding Bolt fans, Ron here. I'm going to show you how to fix poor water flow in your sink. As you can see here, from hot to cold we have pretty low flow. So the first thing you're going to do, make sure your water's off. You're going to pull your nozzle out like this. You'll notice you have a flat spot on each side of the nozzle. This is where you're going to stick your pliers. Once you stick your pliers on there, you'll unscrew your nozzle. Make sure you keep it up and down. If you look in here, you can see there's a bunch, I don't know how good our camera is, you can see there's a bunch of sediment. There's also a little grommet in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this into our hand. We'll kind of hit it, and you see that grommet popped out. See all that sediment there? Then you're going to want to check and make sure that's clean. If it's not clean, you're going to want to either use a pipe cleaner or just kind of tap it on. You see a little bit more came out. Now it's nice and clean. We're going to put that back in on our end, and then you screw it back in. You're going to want to make sure this gets nice and tight, otherwise you're going to have water spraying. Just grab here and put it hand tight. Now when you turn your water on, you see the increased flow. It's still not quite where I want it to be, so I'm going to end up doing another video on this. You probably have more sediment in the line. I'm going to show you how to flush it. I'll put once I have that video done, you'll see a link in the description. Thank you and have a great day.